In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an SPF record to your Wix account. Adding an SPF record is an important step to ensure that your emails are delivered successfully and are not marked as spam. It helps verify the authenticity of the mails sent from your domain. So let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to get this set up correctly. First, you'll want to start by going to the Wix website and logging into your account. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the Wix homepage. This is the central hub for managing your Wix websites and settings, so it's a place you'll want to get familiar with if you're not already. Look towards the top right of the page and you should see your profile icon. Clicking on this will drop down a menu, giving you a few options to choose from. From this menu, you'll want to select Account Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Wix account, but what we're particularly interested in today is your domain settings. After entering your account settings, find and click on Domains, which will be one of the options on the left side menu. The Domains section allows you to manage your domain names and the settings associated with them, which includes DNS settings that we need to tweak for our SPF record. Here's where you'll see a list of your domains if you have more than one. Choose the domain you wish to add an SPF record to. Next, look for an option that says Domain Actions. Clicking on Domain Actions will drop down a menu with more selections. In the resulting menu, you'll want to click Manage DNS Records. This crucial step is where you'll modify the DNS settings just as needed. A DNS record is like the address book of the internet, telling it how to find your website among millions of others out there. Now, locate the Add Record button and click on it. This step allows us to input the new SPF record. You'll see a field labeled Host Name. Be sure to click on that. Typically, for SPF records, you might leave this part blank or enter @ if necessary. Exact instructions might depend on your unique setup or email provider's guidelines. Next, move to the Value field where you will enter the specific TXT value for your SPF record. This value is what tells email servers which services are permitted to send emails on behalf of your domain. Enter this information carefully to avoid mistakes. Once everything is filled in, the last step is to click on Save. This will update your DNS records with the new SPF entry. Congratulations, you've successfully added an SPF record to your Wix account. It might take a bit of time for these changes to propagate across the internet, anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours, but once that's all set, your emails should have a better chance of reaching the inbox instead of the spam folder.